In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed an Indify flip countdown into a Notion page. We'll walk through it from the Notion side first, then customize the countdown in Indify, and finally bring it back into Notion as an embedded widget. Start by opening the Notion page where you want your countdown to live. In this example, that page is called Tutorial, but it can be any page in your workspace, like a project dashboard or a personal planning page. Once your page is open, click into the body of the page and start typing the word highlight. In your own setup, this will be whatever text trigger or placeholder you're using. The key idea is that you're creating a spot where the countdown will go. When Notion shows you the inline menu, look for the option that relates to embeds. Select the Embeds option. This tells Notion that instead of regular text, you're going to insert content from another site. Now switch over to Indify in your browser. On the Indify dashboard, you'll see a plus icon to create a new widget. Click on the plus to start setting up a new countdown. Indify may prompt you with a setup or confirmation screen. When you see the button to continue, click Continue to move ahead. Next, you'll see a list of available widget types. From here, look for the Flip Countdown option. Before you click it, make sure you've selected any highlighted settings or options that appear above it if your interface shows them. Then click on Flip Countdown to open the configuration screen. Inside the countdown settings, adjust the style and size. For example, if there is a drop-down or slider showing a number like 20, click that to choose the size that looks best on your Notion page. You'll also see a section labeled, What is the date and time? Click on that area to set the exact target date and time you want the countdown to reach. This could be a launch date, a deadline, or an event. Once you've set the date, confirm any highlighted options or save buttons so your changes are applied. Indify will generate a share or embed link for this countdown. Copy that link. Go back to your Notion page, click where you typed earlier and paste the link. Notion will detect it as embeddable content. When the option appears, click Embed Link. After a moment, your fully functional Indify Flip countdown will appear right inside your Notion page.